Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this vehicle. It's not our usual stock, it's come in part exchange, but we've had a look. It's got extensive service history. It's just had an MOT, it's just been serviced, and the timing chain has recently been done on this vehicle as well, which is a weak point on one of these, and that has been done. It's the M Sport. It's in beautiful condition, the bodywork for its age and mileage. Front park distance control. Wheels are in lovely condition. Tell how well it's looked after. It's running on Pirelli tyres and Bridgestone. Rear park distance control. Boot area has been well looked after and well kept. Privacy glass to the rear. Full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights. Just start the car up. Got the full iDrive situation there. It's done 119,935 miles. Bluetooth, satellite navigation. Cruise control. It's been well looked after. Sold out at retail standards due to its age and mileage, but what a lovely car it is. If you've got any questions, please just call 07503 751 005. Thank you.